Hey guys, Eric Sue here. Hope you're doing well. Hey listen, I've got a fun video here for you guys because I've got something new that I think you guys will like, so stay tuned. Alright you guys, if you're new to the channel, you guys know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, like button, and notification button so you can get future videos just like this. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I know you guys will love this one as well. Alright, so let's get right to it. So today I have something that we've been wanting for some time, and it's a Ragu Paper Shredder, okay? And this one's really good because it can do 6 sheets cross-cut. And the size of this is only about 4 by 38 millimeters, and it has a 11-pound basket capacity. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and unbox it real quick. So let me get my scissors. It's really cool because this thing came in a few days, so excited about this. Now this paper shredder here is really nice because we have some documents and papers that we want to get rid of, but we want to do it securely so that no information on those documents that we throw out gets stolen from us. Okay, alright, so here's what's in the box. First thing we see is this piece right here. It looks like this is the top, the paper shredder here. Got electric outlet here. Excellent, good. And then here is, right in here, is the 11-liter capacity basket. All right. Okay, what else is in here? So we got the paper shredder manual. And it is the SO206C. Okay, excellent. And we have also a little card here that has, you know, contact information. And then on the other side here is a 1-year hassle-free return policy. Okay, cool. All right. Okay. Awesome. This is a little safety lock here on the back, by the way. So, that's cool. Nice construction. Not too bad. Okay. And now let's go back to this guy, which is the paper shredder. Okay. And so let's unbox this. All right. So this thing goes right up on top here and has the 2 stickers that let you know where this thing goes, how it fits on. It fits on perfectly. Okay. Excellent. All right. So this thing is on. Okay, we're gonna turn it on. Let me just show you the top for this real quick here, as you can see. Okay. Not too bad. Okay. So it's an auto function, an off function, and a reverse function here. And again, it's a 6 sheets max. Okay, so we're gonna set this up and let's test it out. All right, you guys, so I'm back down on the ground here with my paper shredder, okay? Now, after reading the instructions here, it says to protect the circuit and avoid overheating, please let the device rest for 20 to 30 minutes after 2 minutes of operation, okay? So this thing can't last long, I guess, but 2 minutes time, you can do quite a bit of damage, I hope. So let's test this out and let's see how it works. So it says it has an auto setting and a reverse setting, okay, and the off setting on top here, okay. And so it says here to set it on the auto, so I'm going to set it on auto right now, and I'm going to test one sheet of paper just to see how it works. So it says just to put it in and try to do it straight so it doesn't paper jam. So let's see how it works. Ooh. Okay, that was pretty cool. Let's do a second. Let's do 2 sheets. That was 1 sheet. Let's do 2 sheets this time. That was pretty cool. Okay, these are pretty powerful. Let's do, that was 2 sheets. Let's see if we can do 3 sheets at once. Okay, this is 3 sheets. Let's see how it goes. Whew. Pretty powerful, powerful. Let's see if we can get some more sheets here. 4 sheets. Let's see how this 4 sheets works. Ooh. Pretty good. 4 sheets. Let's see, 5 sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if we can do 5 sheets. Hopefully it's not going over the 2-minute mark here. 5 sheets. Ooh. 5 sheets. All right, let's see if we can do 6. This is the most it says to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, here's the test. 6 sheets. All right, here we go. Does it do it? Woo. All right, it successfully did it. All right, 6 sheets. Let's turn this baby off. All right, so let's take a closer look. Okay. Whew. It's a little warm. Okay. Take a closer look here. Okay. Looks like a paper is shredded through. And let's take a closer look at what's in here. All right. Paper in here looks pretty shredded. Looks like that. Okay. Looks like it's shredded. All right. Okay, so my first impressions is that it works pretty well. 6 sheets, it kind of struggled a little bit, but it got through it, and I think it did the job. For what it's worth, I think it's a good paper shredder. Time will tell over the long haul how long it lasts, but for small jobs, I think it's a great tool. Okay. All right. So if you guys like this video, remember to smash the like button, subscribe button, and notification button so you can get future videos just like this. And we'll see you again. Bye.